BJP की National General Secretary Organization BL Santos amadi North East की Incharge Sambit Patra ngasi Imphal da thonakibag loinena Thambal Shanglen da BJP की MLA singa Meepham Pangthokhre Meepham aduda Kairao Assembly Constituency की MLA Laurembam Rameshwar natana BJP की MLA khudimangna saruk yakiba Meepham ne Nungtil pung ama makhairam taba matamdagi Meepham hauki Meepham adu loiraba matungda BJP Manipur की Karyakarta singi oiba Meepham su Pangthokhre Ahan batangka ki Meepham loiraba matungda thorakiba Pangthokhre Assembly Constituency की MLA Dr. Sapam Ranjana Paumi Singh da phongdokhimda National General Secretary Organization BL Santos yauna Pangthokiba Meepham adu maruina BJP si hena mapangal kangkhanabagi pandam da pangthokpane State asida miyam gi oiba lengak ama sembagi matangda su khanari Adumokpu karamba matamda semgani haibagi wafam di laikhai tadri loinana lusingba ama khanbagi matangda su khanaba leitri haina phongdokhi Amaromda Meepham aduda saruk yakiba Thanga Assembly Constituency gi MLA Tongbram Ravindron haikibada Kumjal Singani Kuntareta Pangthokodoriba Assembly Mikhalda BJP na amukhana lengak paina bhonabagi matangda Meepham aduna khanaki Housing state asida popular government ama leitaba maramna miyamna thainariba khudongchadaba singasi makhatana lehendana ba athubada miyam gi lengak ama semnaba center gi lusingba singa aduma khanari athubada popular government ama semna ba honari Bhana makhatana hai BJP ge MLA singi marakta lusingba khanbagi sayana ba leite amadi lusingba si center na khalakadabani aduma pu lusingba adu MLA khudimangna yaba ama oigadabani haibasi MLA singi wafam ni haina bhana makhata ki Hauji BJP की कार्यकर्ता सिंगे Meepham पांगथोलिबसी लोरेबा मतुंगदा MLA सिंगा अमुक मखाताना Meepham पांगथोलबा याई हाइरी
This meeting was perhaps to strengthen the party organization, to be much stronger than it was before. It was mainly of party organization. There are some certain process which needs to be taken up to form a government.
SKTV government will come. President is there, all central leaders are there, and they are working very much on that. And what we believe is like it will be done. The government has to be there so that people are. We know like some people are not happy with us, and to bring back new hope to the people, we have to be. Government has to be there. But this time, what we are asking is like when they choose a leader, they all have to listen all the MLA's opinions. And only then the center will be good, and the BJP party's central government has to be there, not someone central government that we don't want.